Hey everybody, this video is on safety specifications of infrared saunas. So this is something that I think is really important because there have been problems in the past. Several infrared sauna companies have gone bankrupt due to product recall, being sued. A couple of very well-known, very big infrared companies that offered lifetime warranties then had to change their company name. I'm not going to say the name. This happened for a couple companies not that long ago. And so where does this problem begin? So in the industry, a lot of the less expensive saunas, and actually even some of the saunas that are grossly marked up, still fall into this category of not actually getting third-party electrical lab testing. So that is a requirement, okay, for any sort of equipment or devices that are going to be used in public settings, basically. And so what do I mean by that? So if you're getting it for a clinic, a gym, a spa, a doctor's office, so on and so forth, a public setting, it needs to be third-party verified. That the whole system working together is safe. And this brings us to the main problem here, is that most of the brands on the market are put together by woodworking companies who don't really have electrical knowledge. They'll just go by the independent electrical specifications of their components. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that it goes with other types of other components or in the type of sauna and the structure. It needs to actually be totally certified altogether. So you always want to look for an ETL rating. I only know of really a few different companies that actually do that, very few. So if you're especially going to have it in a public setting, that's an important thing to have. You know, you have business insurance, things like that. You definitely want specific saunas, just in case, right? Even at home, you know, having a fire in your house is a big deal. And if you really actually look into, again, a lot of these sauna companies, they're doing a lot of really sketchy things with the wiring going to the emitters especially, as they have actually really not a lot of electrical expertise whatsoever. They're just taking hodgepodge parts, putting them together in order to produce something that looks similar and has a similar effect. But safety specifications, I can't stress that enough, is very important to look at. So if you have any questions about that particular brand that you're evaluating, now you know the question to ask for, and don't just accept that a salesperson is going to say, oh yeah, sure, we have that. Say, okay, could you send me a certificate? Could you send me some sort of proof, evidence that you did get that third-party testing for your whole product, everything included? And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, send me a message, of course, on the site. You can also give me a call. Thanks for watching.